Hey guys, it's been a little bit of a minute since I made some videos and I thought that I would do a video, a quick one. So I just thought I would touch on some products I've been using recently. So I have recently been using the Olaplex system. I've just started it, so I figured I would let you guys know. In the future I'll probably do another video about it, but I thought I'd let you know what I'm using. So I have been using, of course, the number 3, which honestly, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair has been bleached so much that it's sort of like really damaged, especially since like this part has been bleached a lot. You have no clue. And then obviously after that I've been using the shampoo and conditioner. I do have some other Olaplex items coming in the mail, but the only last one I've got at the moment is this, which is the number 7. Now, so far I really like all of them. I think that that's worth mentioning. Now, the other products I've probably been religiously using would be the Wella Fusion shampoo and conditioner. I have been using that a bit, and I've also got Potion 9 by Sebastian and the Lux oil from Wella. So that's my hair regime at the moment. If anybody's interested, I can let you know in the future if there's anything else you should know about this. Now, I also thought I'd mention a few things about some questions I've had at work. So I do a lot of shampoo work being an apprentice. I shampoo people's hair a lot, and what I've noticed people mentioning to me is that they're either A, buying supermarket shampoos, or B, buying hairdressing shampoos or professional shampoos, but they're from the supermarket. And I just thought that I'd let you know 3 reasons as to why these supermarket products would be, like, why these hairdressing products would be in the supermarket. And that is because A, they are buying old stock, which is horrible because that means that some of the stock may be out of date, which means it's not so great for your hair. A good way to know this is if the perfume in it smells a little bit off. Now, there's also the fact that you can get shampoo that is developed in other countries for their conditions, such as, like, you know, like their weather, like their sun patterns, all of that, and it's not designed for our climate, but yeah, they sell it here anyway, and it causes issues because it's not designed for our climate. And you can get replicas, fake products, and I'm not accusing anybody of buying these, but they have been on the market through places like AliExpress, and I'm not sure where these supermarkets get these salon products from, but from what I've been told by companies, they're not legitimate. The other thing that I thought would be worth mentioning is the fact that people are so afraid of silicons. Now, a lot of salon products actually have silicons that are water-based. You've got your water-based silicons, and then you've got your silicons that are non-water soluble, like the ones that you would find in things like Pantene or Tresemme, and those ones are the ones that choke your hair strand. Now, your hair strand is basically made out of 3 components, which is your medulla, your cortex, and your cuticle layers. And if your cuticle layers can't move to breathe, essentially, they can't dislodge dirt, they can't get moisture in, and that's where silicons are a huge issue. So they can also create chemical reactions, but that's a whole nother ballgame. But anyway, with silicons, they can be used to smooth out damaged hair, and you will have your water soluble ones which do not create buildup, and those ones are completely safe. Your non-water soluble ones are the ones where there's issues, and I think that a lot of people don't understand the fact that silicons are a lot more complex than good or bad. It's all about quality and quantity. So yeah. So if you guys would love to know anything about hair, I mean, it helps me out too because I am a hair apprentice. I would love to research some things, and if you guys want to know anything about hair, just let me know in the description down below, and I'm more than happy to look into that for you. I would love it if you guys would, you know, make any questions or comments. And yeah. Also, low-key, I feel like that my phone's camera is like really flattering to me today. Anyway, so if you want to know anything, let me know down below. And yeah, I keep saying yeah, but that's the thing now. Anyway, bye.